Properties of irrational numbers. Properties of irrational numbers help us to pick up irrational numbers out of a set of real numbers. Rational and irrational numbers. Addition of rational and irrational number is always irrational. Rational plus irrational is equal to irrational number. For example, root 2 plus 1. We know that root 2 is equal to 1.4142 and so on. Therefore, root 2 plus 1 is equal to 2.4142135 and so on. So, result is an irrational number. Subtraction of rational and irrational number is always irrational. Rational number minus irrational number is equal to irrational number. For example, minus 7 minus root 11 is equal to minus 7 minus root 11. Next one is multiplication of any irrational number with any non-zero rational number results in an irrational number. Rational number into irrational number is equal to irrational number. For example, 5 into root 7 is equal to 5 root 7. Division of rational and irrational number is irrational. A rational number divided by irrational number is equal to irrational number. For example, minus 3 by 2 divided by pi is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 pi. Division of a rational and irrational number will not affect the non-recurring and non-terminating nature of irrational. Thus, the result is an irrational number. Irrational and irrational number. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of two irrational numbers may or may not be a rational number. Sum of two irrational numbers. The sum of two irrational numbers is sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. Irrational number plus irrational number is equal to irrational or rational number. For example, 6 plus square root of 2 plus 4 plus square root of 2 is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 is 2 square root of 2. So 10 plus 2 square root of 2. This is an irrational number. Another example. 5 plus square root of 2 plus 3 minus square root of 2 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And plus square root of 2 minus square root of 2 are cancelled. Therefore, 8 is the answer. It is a rational number. Subtraction of two irrational numbers. The subtraction of two irrational numbers is sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. Irrational number minus irrational number is equal to irrational or rational number. For example, square root of 3 minus square root of 3 is equal to 0. Result is a rational number. Another example, 4 plus square root of 6 minus 4 plus square root of 6 is equal to, here plus 4 minus 4 are cancelled. Remaining is square root of 6 plus square root of 6 is equal to 2 square root of 6. Result is an irrational number. Product of two irrational numbers. The product of two irrational numbers is sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. Irrational number into irrational number is equal to irrational or rational number. For example, 7 into square root of 5 into square root of 5. Here, 7 square root of 5 into square root of 5 is equal to 7 into square root of 5 square is equal to Square root of 5 square is 5. Therefore, 7 into 5 is 35. Result is a rational number. Another example. 3 into square root of 2 into square root of 3 is equal to 3 into square root of 2 into 3 is equal to 3 square root of 6. Result is an irrational number. Division of two irrational numbers. The division of two irrational numbers is sometimes rational, sometimes irrational. Irrational number divided by irrational number is equal to irrational number or rational number. For example, square root of 8 divided by square root of 2 is equal to square root of 4 into 2 divided by square root of 2 is equal to square root of 4 is 2. So, 2 into square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 is equal to, here square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 are cancelled. So, remaining is 2. Result is a rational number. Another example. Square root of 14 divided by square root of 2 is equal to square root of 7. Result is an irrational number. I hope it is clear to you. Note: we cannot add or subtract square root of any two numbers under single square root. Let me give you an example. If we have two numbers like square root of 3 and square root of 2, then we cannot add like this. Square root of 3 plus square root of 2 is not equal to square root of 3 plus 2, not equal to square root of 5. Or we cannot subtract like this. Square root of 3 minus square root of 2 is not equal to square root of 3 minus 2, not equal to square root of 1. But we should keep it as it is. Square root of 3 plus square root of 2 is equal to square root of 3 plus square root of 2. If we subtract square root of 3 minus square root of 2 is equal to square root of 3 minus square root of 2. But we can do multiplication or division of any square root of two numbers under single square root. For example, square root of 6 into square root of 2 is equal to square root of 6 into 2 is equal to square root of 12. Another example, square root of 6 divided by square root of 2 is equal to square root of 6 by 2 is equal to square root of 3. I hope it is clear. The difference between rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers. It can be expressed in the form of a fraction or ratio. Irrational numbers. It cannot be expressed in the form of a fraction or ratio. All perfect square numbers are rational. Any square root number which is not a perfect square is irrational. Rational numbers. The decimal value is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. For example, 1.75, 0.333 and so on, 0.65, 6565 and so on. Irrational numbers. The decimal value neither repeats nor terminates at any point. For example, pi, root 11, e and so on. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Thanks for watching.